Central Pennsylvania was spared the full impact of Hurricane Irene over the weekend, though many are still without power after strong winds brought down trees and power lines. In terms of outages, it's shaping up to be the worst storm in Pennsylvania in the past 2 decades, according to PPL spokesman Jim Knowlton. About 260,000 PPL customers in 29 counties across the state lost power. More than 253,000 remain without electricity as of Sunday afternoon. Most PPL customers should have their power restored in less than 3 days, but it could take 3 to 5 days for some.